Assembly Atlanta is for everybody. We're building world-class facilities in terms of sound stages, but in terms of development, it's going to be world-class.
On Assembly's main boulevard, you'll find buildings that will teleport you to different parts of the world.
Sometimes you need to have a shot in New Orleans. We have it. You need to have a shoot on the Upper East or Upper West Side or Brooklyn in New York. We've got it. You might need to have a shoot in Europe, in London, in Paris, in Barcelona, in Madrid, in Prague. We've got it. You might have to have something that's an industrial look, what we call Tribeca, with outside fire escapes, all the rest. In Chinatown, in Little Italy, we have all of that on the Grand Boulevard at Assembly. But we've taken what's known in Hollywood as the back lot, brought it to the forelot. So it's out there, and it's not built of plywood. It's built of stone and brick, and it's working offices, and it's working production space for everything shot in the actual studios. But we have 300 feet of filmable facades that's real. You can actually go up there. If you're going to be throwing beads out of New Orleans, there's a balcony.
Steps away from the studios, you will find a playground for the public.
The rail trail is similar to that of the Beltline. So in aspect, in theory, really, you could ride your bike from Piedmont Park all the way up to Assembly Atlanta.
From the rail trail, ride your bike or jog along a green space where you can pop some popcorn, grab your lawn chair, and enjoy movie night among the stars.
So you've got a green space, the Assembly Commons, which is going to be a mixture of an outdoor gathering space and an entertainment venue for people, for the general public, to come and enjoy. That's sitting right next to this world-class film studio.
Whether you're in the back lot or the front lot, you'll notice ponds. These bodies of water have more than one purpose.
It gives the appearance of a fountain, but the true purpose of the body of water or the area is a retaining pond. And then basically it collects the storm water or the rainwater in that area from certain areas of the job site.
The main difference between the two ponds is the one inside the studio triangle is intentionally there for filming opportunities. So there's access into the pond. There are stanchions around the pond in order to rig up a blue screen or a green screen. And again, you're inside the studio premises, so you have all the access to all those resources. The pond here is more, it's not intended to be shot in like the studio pond, but it can be a feature. It can be something to kind of build the environment for content creators.
If you're shooting Jaws or Titanic or Waterworld or anything else that may come about in a water capacity, we've got the facility for it right here.
Fascinating facades and glass galore, Assembly Atlanta is a unique place. We invite you all to come and explore.
Seeing this lets you know anything is possible. Just dream it and it can come true.